How much environmental pollution is our responsibility? When it comes to environmental pollution, people tend to believe that we don't have as much of an impact on it. That we do enough by throwing our trash out, maybe separate it or might even compost, and we still haven't talked about electric cars, dishwashers which save water, and all the amazing green solutions. But the truth is a bit different. Obviously, powerhouses are a huge waste of energy, and factories cause a lot of pollution, but it doesn't mean we can't do anything about it. We use all the energy produced by the powerhouses. We use all the products made by the factories. Although we feel like doing nothing, this is all about us and all on us. Actually, there are several hard questions in this topic. If we decide to prevent our planet from dying, where do we start? There are air, water, and land pollutions. Which is the worst, and how should we deal with it? Not all of these have been answered yet, but I'm pretty sure that once we have engaged ourselves, there will be a way to solve these. Until then, just think it through. Water pollution. Our oceans are filled with trash, mostly plastic bottles. Plastics that end up as ocean debris contribute to habitat destruction and entangle and kill tens of thousands of marine animals each year. To limit your impact, carry a reusable water bottle, store food in non-disposable containers, bring your own cloth tote or other reusable bag when shopping, and recycle whenever possible. Not just the pollution, but the waste of water is also a major thing. Now, that is tightly connected with the overproducing of meat. Just think of how much water do those animals drink that later get cut off and then most of their meat also going waste. That's what I mean when I say it's a hard topic. Because everything is connected and to stop one problem we have to prevent all of them. Also, all the machines we use were made by using a huge amount of energy and water. So in the end it doesn't matter how green kitchen equipment we choose. We can be 100% environmentally friendly. And then, on the other hand, there is land pollution. In other words, means degradation or destruction of Earth's surface and soil, directly or indirectly as a result of human activities. Also, the same problems came up here than at water pollution. You can also hear about them as the R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. The key words of environmental protection. Some people are frightened of these, but it's a false belief that we have to live a zero-waste life or as a caveman to be environmentally friendly. If all of us would minimize the waste of energy, food, and non-reusable materials even a little bit, that could be a global solution. And here we are at air pollution. As I said, there is dust and other unwholesome stuff in the air we breathe in. For instance, smoke that comes out of factories' chimneys or the carbon dioxide, and these are just few of the main problems. Now, what causes these? As it's well known, we cut out most of the trees that would save us, and it's a greater problem than what we consider it is. At this point, I think it's important to mention that although electric cars sound awesome, they are nowhere near of walking or bicycles. They cause pollution just as other cars. They don't use fuel, which is cool, but they still pass a huge amount of dust and micropieces of the wheels in the air. And as I have earlier said, factories work for us based on our needs, so somehow the pollution they produce is still kind of our fault. To sum up, I do believe that all of us should take full responsibility for our planet. It's definitely our job to alliance and protect Earth because I want a planet for my children to live in, and I don't want it to be Mars.